Hello everyone, this is an unboxing of the Connex Prosight. I got this from GetFPV and also ordered a spare antenna set. So this is what the spare antenna looks like. Alright, let's get to it. The outside of the box looks pretty, but I'm interested on what's inside. Alright, looks like a nice case. Looks like it's one of these side open guys. Nope. There we go. And it looks like we have the receiver right on top. Looks good. That's actually smaller than it looks like in the pictures. Got our menu buttons. HDMI out, USB, and power. Just to give you a reference here, there's a ruler. That's about 5 inches high with the antennas. About 3 inches wide. And three quarters of an inch thick. And it's got a threaded insert for putting it on the tripod. Alright, let's see what's underneath. Put that back in there. And it looks like we have a couple stickers, installation manual, and mechanical setup. So it looks like multiple language. Quick start guide, warranty information, and then here we go. Here is the transmitter. This guy is a lot smaller than it looks in the pictures. Just for reference, I think I have another VTX over here. This is the TM200. So, you know, it's twice as wide or long as a standard VTX, and a little bit wider, not too much wider. So this will actually fit in some pretty tight builds nicely. Again with the ruler here. It's just under half an inch. Call it half an inch. Alright, here's the camera. I saw this rubber boot on the pictures. I wasn't too crazy about it. I thought I added a lot of size to it, but it really doesn't. It's the same width as the camera. About the same length as well. Go. Connex Mini. Hope I'm not showing you a serial number, so you can commandeer my system while I'm flying. Let's take a look at this antenna, because I think this antenna has been the biggest source of complaints, or maybe not complaints, but concern. And wow, that is nice and rubbery. It's a nice TPE material. Here are the two PCB antennas mounted inside there. This part is a hard plastic, so that'll probably protect it if it gets smashed on a gate or something, but this part, the bottom part, is the rubbery part. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Looks like we got more foam. Oh, and just, you know, these are those little, like the UFL connectors. Looks like we got accessories down here. Oh man, a whole bag of accessories. Look at that. And then 1.5 million antennas. Looks like a mount for the receiver. So you mount it to a bar or something. And underneath we have HDMI cable. And it looks like it has standard full-size HDMI than the mini, which will go to your Fat Sharks. That's it for the box. So let's take a look at these accessories. Alright. Oh boy. So we have a USB adapter. That's interesting. Is that I don't know if that's an on-the-go cable or not. Looks like the VTX mounting screws. Looks like 3mm standoffs and some screws. Antenna mounting screws, M3s, and some lock nuts. And then the camera mount, where it has these rubber, those vibration dampening balls. And your standard bent sheet metal mount. We're not going to be using that. Alright, and it looks like an extra, looks like a spare tightening ring for the lens, focus ring. We've got a power cable for the receiver. It's nice they include that with the XT60. Don't have to make one. And we've got, this must be for the VTX. You just plug it straight into your battery. Now I asked on RC groups, and other guys have not had an issue with antennas, or excuse me, with ESCs with active braking. So with the voltage spikes, apparently somebody's using it up on 6S, so it'll handle up to like 27 volts. So I'm going to put a capacitor on this just to be on the safe side, but it should handle it no problem. And then this is for the OSD for telemetry to your serial connection to your flight controller. I'm not sure what they pick up off of Clean Fight or Betaflight, but I know that it's Mavlink compatible. So if you have any Pixahawks or old APMs, you can use it with that. And then we have another USB cable. Actually, that's a nice USB cable. And then the connection between the camera and the VTX. I like that they twisted those in there. That's nice. Help reduce some signal interference. Cool. So there you go. That's the Connex Prosight unboxing.